Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at Nissan South Africa, which has just discontinued another popular model. What's going on over there? It seems like we've got Chop It Like It's Hot on repeat over there in Roslyn.
Power slide into the DMs. WhatsApp the dealer directly from our site. Less phone calls, less awkward. Dream, search, drive. Cars.co.za.
Yes, it's official. The Nissan Qashqai is done in South Africa after a 17-year run. It's come as quite a shock, as the third generation model was actually really good. I mean, my review back in 2022 said this was a really classy, competent product. But the downside was the price, which we think was the main reason for the discontinuation. The pricing was above its rivals, but why was it more expensive? As a reminder, Nissan South Africa imports its Qashqais from the plant in Sunderland, England, and that means it's subject and vulnerable to the exchange rates. And as we all know, the rand exchange rate to other currencies is not particularly stable. Sadly, Nissan South Africa has a habit of cancelling good cars. I mean, the Micra is gone, and the NP200 popular bakkie, that's also gone too. Sadly for Uber drivers, but good news for the eyes of its passengers, the Almera has also departed. Ooh, nelle scorbo, not pretty. The NP200 was the real shock, let's be honest, because that was Nissan South Africa's breadwinner, with thousands of those being sold every year. But there is good news and hope on the horizon, as Nissan South Africa has confirmed that they're studying the possibility of building a new local bakkie. So fingers crossed, we don't know much yet, but we'll update you as we go. Right now, Nissan South Africa only has the Magnite, X-Trail, Patrol and locally built Navara bakkie for us. There's some good news if you're a hardcore Qashqai fan, which I kinda am. Prices of this generation of Nissan Qashqai are likely to drop as these new leftover cars are registered and transferred to the demo used market. So there are some bargain potentials to be had. Also, if you go back, the first generation Qashqai, which was on sale from 2007 to about 2014, it was a pioneer in the urban SUV space. One of my colleagues actually used to drive one. He loved the thing. We have a detailed buyer's guide, which we've linked below. There's also a great car for the money there. As always, if you're looking for a new or used Nissan, pop open that Cars.co.za app. We have over 4,000 Nissans available for sale. That just about wraps up today's video. We're keen to hear your thoughts about this. I mean, are we witnessing the demise of Nissan South Africa in real time in front of us? I mean, I'm quite sad about it. I mean, the brand's got some iconic products in its lineup. Let us know in the comments below. Okay, bye.
Cars.co.za.
Are you busy trying to decide between 2 cars, 3 cars, 4 cars, 5 cars, 6 cars? We have an excellent compare tool on our site which will help you make sense of all the different pricing and all the different specs. You'll find it on our main site as well as in our app. It's super slick, it's easy to use, it's highly detailed, it's constantly updated with the latest information and pricing, and I can guarantee you it'll make your life a ton easier. Check it out on our website, link in the description below.